morning, you guys. Welcome to this vlog. You saw, just started off the morning. My friends, we did a little bar workout together in the gym, and I felt like curling my hair when I got back just to like get ready for the day a little bit. So did that. Now I'm having my breakfast, which look, it's kind of sad. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm chugging this right now. Okay, I need to cut up this banana and put it on top. But basically, we're out of bowls. All our bowls are dirty in the dishwasher, and so I'm putting my oatmeal and peanut butter in a mug and gonna put banana on top. Oatmeal in a mug kind of morning. Back to work. I said to Max, I'm back to vlogging. So I feel like you weren't in my last vlog at all.
That's cool.
My first one of the new year.
Well, here I am.
Max says I'm finally back to work. Why don't you tell them where we're going?
Why don't you tell them?
Oh, what a great start to 2025.
Steven's towing.
A cold I can't kick and my car getting towed. So we're gonna go pick up my car right now from the tow yard. And it's not my fault. Well, multiple things happened, but I think the main reason it was towed was because apparently it was a snow emergency, which has been snowing like crazy here. And I don't know how I was supposed to know though. I didn't know that it was, maybe if you watch the news, I don't know. Apparently in a snow emergency, once it's like declared, they tow the cars off the street and all the cars have to come off the streets. But then if I normally street park, like where am I even supposed to put it anyway? See, a car is parked there that's where my car got checked. Anyway, so everything is so frozen and blizzardy here. His footboards when you get into his car are like frozen. Anyway, so yeah, last night we walked Brody and we were like, where's my car? So we're gonna go pick it up for now. It's a pretty expensive tow, but only up from here. No more tows for 2025. There she is, covered in snow. I'm gonna have to like scrape my car when I get it out. Oh man, finally. Oh my gosh, my poor sweet Coco. We're back. So you can see still covered in snow on the top. Max and I had to scrape and scrape and scrape the front. My fingers and ankles are still numb. Good thing we had both of our scrapers going or that would have taken forever. She's back. Yeah, basically it's been snowing the past week straight. Now I'm only showing you guys when it's like getting ugly and gray and slushy, but yeah, Brody's been loving it. Our cars and us, not so much. Well, I want to tell them that I'm realizing this is monumental because this is Coco's last ever tow, probably, because she's gonna be no longer with us and probably like within 3 weeks. Hopefully. When I get my new car, hopefully. I know I need to like call and see how it's going. But I told you guys I ordered a new car. So it's only meant to be that she got towed one last time. Since she probably got towed like 10 times in Boston. It's monumental. I was just saying to Max, I remember the time when I found out they can in fact break into your car because I picked up my car from a tow yard and I was like, what the heck? Why? How did they get in A? B, why is my seatbelt of the seatbelt of the driver's side wrapped around the steering wheel? And then I googled it and it said they can break in your car and do that when they have to tow your car from the back, and it's so that the front wheels don't like move, I think, so that they just stay. I don't know, so that the steering wheel doesn't move. Anyway, I'm gonna like cry the day I get rid of Coco. I'll be happy for my new car, but you're all forewarned. You know how much that car means. It's gonna be like a mess. Brody, that's you. Max was showing him earlier. Do you think he knows? This is you, buddy.
There you go. Now you're company.
What do you think? He doesn't know. And look, the coffee's your color too.
That's when you know it's a good one.
When it's Brody color.
Noodles.
Max is picking up lunch. Guess where? Shocker. Last we left off, you were getting Chipotle.
Yes,
now,
I did.
Oh look, we match.
In a blue da-ba-dee-ba-ba-bom.
Now you're hungry again. And we're cooking in the cast iron, baby.
Woo!
This is perfect timing, you guys. I just filmed stories for Butcher Box and we got these New York strip steaks. Look how good they look. I am so excited to cook these. Have we even done New York strip in our cast iron yet?
No, we haven't.
I think we've just done ribeye, and that might be it. We've been doing lots of ribeyes. We've been in a ribeye kick. Max is showing
You're getting
our side. Ooh, they look good. That's your favorite way. Roasted with olive oil, salt,
loads
pepper,
of salt.
Parmesan.
Garlic powder.
The time for the steaks yet.
I think we gotta let it get a little bit more hot.
I feel impatient with this thing. I know last time we didn't let it get hot enough.
We gotta let it get a nice.
But we haven't done them this thick, so they probably have to go on for longer. Like, how long do we know how to put them in there for?
I don't know. 4 minutes, 5.
It looks hot. I think it's ready.
Not ready.
I'm putting mine in.
No.
How about now? It's smoking.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's ready.
Yeah, it's sizzling. Let's see it. Perfect, right? A nice sizzle. Great.
Lovely.
Yum. Oh, it's tongs. Okay. Look ready to flip? No? Does it need to be hotter to get more crisp?
Yeah, let's let it
Get crisp?
sizzle a little bit longer.
Ooh.
Yeah, I feel like we want it.
More crispy at first. Well, it'll be great, I'm sure. Oh,
Ooh,
yeah, like that. We added butter and garlic. We don't know what we're doing. We're letting them hang out a sec before we cut into them. They look good. Is it 2025 our year of making like amazing steak at home? I hope so. Roasted broccoli looking amazing. Max always makes it better than me. You always make it taste so good with lots of like seasonings and stuff. The Parmesan is the secret. Wow. How do we do that? You know, the meat thermometer really helps getting it like the perfect medium rare. Wow. Guys, look how good this turned out. We have some brown rice on the side too. And wouldn't be complete without the flaky sea salt on top. I put this on literally everything. I'm addicted to salt.
I'll put butter in the fridge if you want. But
I know, I could add truffle butter too. Yours looks delicious. Ooh, and a little orange poppy. Yum.
Is that what this one is? Yeah.
I feel like we were just saying over there
What?
with dinner. Maybe you said because you're getting old, salt is affecting you more or something.
No, I didn't say that.
Or no, we were just saying something about us getting old. I can't remember.
No.
When we were eating soup, like this is like old. I don't know. I was gonna say this is this is us being old. We're sharing a eating pad, and Max is doing his little Normatec boots to recover. Why are you like so sore?
I don't know.
Did you do a lunge or a couple? Today? Yesterday?
Actually, I don't even know if we did.
I think lunges is what makes my
we
legs
didn't do
most sore.
lunges. We did trap bar.
What makes your legs the most like that?
RDL.
Yeah.
Just skating.
Wait, I feel like I had a question for them.
Are you still doing question of the day?
Like, no, but I feel like I do, just because I have a question. You sound thirsty over there. Oh, I know my question. Okay, so basically, I just had to whip out my camera because normally at night, I like to, after dinner, shower, get ready, do all that type of stuff.
What do you like to do after dinner before that?
Oh, I like to sit in my chair and have Max clean up. Does anyone else agree with me? I don't know what it is. After I eat dinner, I just feel like I'm like stuck in my seat. Maybe it's because when you like eat a lot of food, and I just feel like it's like the after Thanksgiving feeling where you're like
food coma.
Yeah, like I need to just sit for a second. And Max, before his last bite is fully chewed, he's like up cleaning. Like you're on it, and I need to sit and
Because I'd rather sit like this after dinner than at the bar stool.
Like I sit there for a while. Like when I'm alone, I sit for like 10 minutes
with probably your empty plate in
and
front
stuff
of you.
everywhere.
Yeah,
and then I have to clean up. Yeah, so I like to sit. Max cleans up, and then I like to get ready for bed and stuff. And then we watch a show, typically Survivor. But we just finished our last season, and then we started Missing You, and we are on the last episode.
Yes, and then I also saw on here another one by this, whatever her name is, Harlan Cohen.
Is that the producer?
Yeah,
or something?
it's like
the. Why can't we think of the word director?
No, like whoever
Author?
like came up with this. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, and there's another series.
Yeah, and she has another one that's just kind of like it.
Ooh. And basically, shout out Bridget, Acquired Style.
This one. Fool me once.
Oh.
So we gotta watch this one next.
How do you know the name of the author? I don't even see it
on the
Harlan Cohen.
Yep.
So basically, the day we finished Survivor season, which was the most latest one, by the way, you guys should watch We Love Survivor. I saw Bridget's TikTok and she was like, guys, I just stayed up all night watching Missing You, and she was like, it's so good, you should watch it. So we started it and we've been hooked, and we have our last episode So we have to watch it right now. That's all this is to say why I'm gonna shower after, because we need to see right now what happens. We've been on the edge of our seats. We've been so like confused, and I've been scared.
We're just waiting for it to all come together in the final episode.
Hopefully it doesn't disappoint us. But basically, this is our new favorite show, and you guys should watch. Okay,
we're gonna start.
We're gonna watch.
Okay, bye.
Let you know how it goes.
Okay, we're gonna start.
Click. Well,
that was crazy.
Violence warning. Because if you're like me and you're sensitive to like scary or like violence, like I need to go decompress for an hour. Because that was so stressful. That's okay. So basically, I'm like a little unimpressed with the end. It kind of comes together, but you're still like, what? Like they wrap it up so quickly.
I know.
Like we need more. You think they'll make more episodes or another season?
No, I don't think so.
Really?
I don't know.
That was like nuts. Like everything that's going on was so nuts. So the fact that it was just like wrapped up in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, we need more. It's my only thing. Wow, my mind is blown.
That was crazy.
That was my question. My question was gonna be earlier. What other shows are your guys' favorite that we need to watch, since we're typically just Survivor people? Or what is your favorite Survivor season that we should watch? We've probably already watched a lot. What is your favorite? No spoilers, thank you. What is our favorite so far?
That Winners at War one was
Season
really
40.
good.
I know. And I was about to say the winner's name. I think it was called Second Chance. 30 something.
The one we just watched was really good too. And the one before that.
Yeah, 47 and 46 we love. I was about to say the other winner, the other one, I can't remember. Maybe like 42. We probably haven't watched like 41 through 46, like all of them, you know. I like the newer ones. I feel like people have gotten so good at the game and like really get it. So yeah, maybe we'll do a newer one again. Thanks for joining us on our cozy evening. Showtime.
Nighty-night.
Brody, it freaking snowed again. Can you believe this? Every day. He loves it. Doesn't mind at all, huh? Leave it. That's not yours. Normally he goes running through the snowbanks. It's 15 degrees out. Literally frozen. Are we now frozen? Yeah. So dang cold out. Guys, here is a new goal and resolution I thought of. Sweet me. For 2025, not wearing an oversized sweatshirt every single day. It's me every day. But it's so freaking cold out. It's hard to not want to just wear this. I feel better if I get like a little bit ready for the day. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end up this vlog here. I feel like it was long. I just wanted to bring you guys through yesterday. Got my car back, finished our show, made a yummy dinner with our butcher box steak. Yeah, walked around in some more snow, got even more snow. Well, snow. But love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. And also, I know I already asked you questions too. Comment down below more types of videos you want to see from me 2025. I know everyone loves the wedding content. Probably are due for like a wedding Q&A because I have way more updates I could talk about now. It's so funny, I think of like a year ago. It's like wedding Q&A and I had like no answers to any questions because we were so early in the planning process. But yes, let me know what more types of content you guys want to see. I feel excited to do like more creative ones, like even videos I think I used to do that I haven't done in a while, like what I eat in a day. I know people get weird about those, but more so I haven't even watched one in a while, but I like watching them for like recipe inspo, not like, no one needs to be comparing what you eat compared to whatever anybody else. Like, everyone's different, everyone's on their own situation journey, you know what I mean? So not like that, but just for like meal inspo, I want to do one like that soon. So I feel like I have like yummy recipes I've been doing. But anyway, ending off this vlog here. I love you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.